Everyone, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Got a bunch going on in the garden. Corn's doing pretty alright, but I think next time I gotta plant it this way because that's generally the prevailing wind. Seems to come over the hill over here. We get a lot of strong north wind. That's why I thought I'd plant it this way. But I don't know, it seems to just like wrap around here and then come across like this. So it'd be better to plant the corn that way, and you know, because it's pollinated, it would get more stuff pollinated. Okay, here he is, star of the show. Notice the camera's out, right, Gator? Okay, okra's doing pretty good. I just put in the drip line and put a few more seeds in where it's thin, and we'll go from there. Cucumbers aren't doing great. Only 2 came up over there, and I'm not sure what that is, but that's the only thing that's come up here. But since I put in the drip tape again, things are starting to come up. It's doing a better job than the wobbler head sprinklers. But now these are starting to outgrow the grasshoppers, which is definitely good. There's still tons of little baby grasshoppers in here, and some other weird flea beetles or something, but starting to come up. Over here where the kohlrabi is, looks like the shadow's in the way. Looks like some more kohlrabi's coming up. So, yeah, garden cat. Unless you're catching mice, don't come in here. But I left the garlic in way too long. So, it's ready to harvest, long been ready to harvest. And I thought we'd see if we got anything in here. It was put in the fall, so it's definitely done. But I don't know if I left it in the ground too long for it to rot. I mean, that ground's hard too. Cardboard in there also. I might need to get a shovel. Harvest this. Should have got it wet again, I guess. Let me see. Little trench and shovel. Wow. Some serious rocks in there. That ground is hard. It didn't do that good. This one grew 2, which isn't good. There's a few in there. There's definitely a few in there. But it didn't grow very big. Probably needs some more nutrients. Better. That one didn't grow. Oh, I chopped it. It's down in there somewhere. How did I hit that sucker? Must have been a lot deeper than I thought. Maybe I didn't chop it. just a little thing. Another little one. This is a lasagna bed, so there's cardboard rotting in here. Another pretty small. Once I get the ground less compacted, they'll do better. That's not bad. Pretty small though. The ground doesn't have enough organic matter in it right now, I think, and it gets compacted. Yeah, just little garlic. Little. Should have done this a while ago. They are in there. Just little garlics, but still, I'm sure they're gonna taste good. They're not forming perfect, that's for sure. But hey, it's a hit and a miss all the time. So chop that up, throw it in spaghetti sauce, be great. That one's in there deep. And just another little one. Well, I'll get to harvesting this and hanging it up to dry. It's barely nothing. Got some leeks going to seed here. I might save seed off of these. Ooh, I could still eat that one. I don't know, you could probably eat leeks that are gone to seed, but I'm not sure if the taste is going to be as good. So far, nothing's coming up in these beds. Still no more green beans. I got like 4 green bean plants. They're getting lots of green beans on it. Should get like 3 or 4 harvests out of these, but shoot, that's barely a meal right there. Got to get more of the seeds to come up. Swiss chard. Oh, I never talked about this. This is a free shed from a guy I've been building that chicken coop for 650 chicks. This is the swimming pool. And it also waters the trees down there. But he gave me this shed. It was all taken apart in that chicken coop, and I brought it up here and put it together in the garden, and it's great. I mean, the cedars in here, fence post pounder, auger, all the garden tools, sprayers, and we still got room. So I gotta get some more food in the ground. I got lots ready to go in. Onions galore, all kinds of stuff. Oh, there's my little birdie friend that catches grasshoppers. He's awesome. You probably can't see him over there. Where'd he go? He just went that way. Yeah, but he catches grasshoppers in here, big ones. So I like having him around. I think I might build bird houses up on top of the posts so they can stay here and watch my garden for me. There he is, right up on there. All right, everyone. That's the update for now. See y'all soon. Adios and God bless.